Before the upgrade by spreading equipment, the manual spreading efficiency is very low. High labor intensity, and complete spreading work often requires many people to work together. After upgrading to richpeace fully automatic spreading machine, the labor cost is greatly reduced. Just one person can complete the spreading task. The spreading efficiency is high, and the tension-free spreading is suitable for different fabrics such as knitting and woven fabrics. Before upgrading of cutting equipment, manual fabric cutting was low efficiency, had a great dependence on cutting technician. It is difficult to ensure the safety of workers because of the high intensity of work. After upgrading to richpeace fully automatic computerized cutting machine, the computer control system, high cutting efficiency, marker layout with software then directly sent to cutting machine to complete the fabric cutting, entirely safety protection.